Hi, I'm Johnny Ace for Aggressive Science. About 2 months ago, we reported on what could be one of the most monumental finds in space. Talking, of course, about KIC 8462852. We'll call it KIC for short. For those that don't know, this is a star that is 1,400 light years away from Earth. Basically, the star's light curve seems to show some anomalies passing in front of the star at irregular intervals. This is very different from the relatively predictable orbits we see objects make around our own sun and most other stars that Kepler has observed. People have hypothesized that this could be a distant alien megastructure, or a Dyson sphere.
A Dyson sphere? It's a very old theory, number one. I'm not surprised that you haven't heard of it. In the 20th century, a physicist called Freeman Dyson postulated the theory that an enormous hollow sphere could be constructed around a star. This would have the advantage of harnessing all the radiant energy of that star, and any population living on the interior surface would have virtually inexhaustible sources of power.
Talk about solving Earth's energy problems. Well, the mystery behind the strangely dimming star could soon be solved. Scientists are fairly certain that the dimming was actually caused by a swarm of exo-comets, as previously reported. A number of optical telescopes are watching the star, waiting for another multi-day dimming event to take place. Once such an event begins, large scopes outfitted with spectrographs will swing into action, studying and monitoring the various wavelengths of light emanating from KIC. If they see any color dependence in the dimming, meaning if it gets dimmer in the ultraviolet than it does in the infrared, for instance, then that would rule out that whatever they are looking at is a solid object. The amount of dimming they get can tell them something about the size, whether it's as fine as smoke or something like galactus. But as far as extraterrestrials are concerned,